Well, hello. If you like this video, click the like button. If you like the content you've seen, click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified of new content and premiere content, just click the bell button and select notify all, and you'll be notified every time there's a new video that comes out, or a premiere video. You'll be notified. Alright, I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Well, hello everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a classic tomato sandwich on wheat sandwich bread. It's pretty simple. Everybody should know how to do it. So let's just go over to the kitchen. Alright, so we're going to start off with a regular tomato. I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Then I'm going to go ahead and start to slice the tomato. It's been a while since I did a cooking video. This one's a little simple. So I'm slicing the tomato. Next I'm going to grab the mayonnaise, and I'm going to grab the bread. You can use, I'm using a 100% wheat bread, but you can use whatever sandwich bread you want. And there we go. I'm going to throw away the part that was cut from the vine. And I'm going to use about 3 or 4 slices of tomato. I'm using Blue Plate, but you can use whatever your favorite brand is. And I'm grabbing the sandwich bread and the knife. Here we go, Nature's Choice. 100% wheat bread, but again, you can use whatever one you want, whatever type of sandwich bread you want. Sometimes those little twistings are hard to get off. Some of the mayonnaise, spread mayonnaise on each slice of bread. I don't like a whole lot of mayonnaise, but I like some mayonnaise. And now I'm going to put the tomatoes on. I'm going to put 3, maybe 4 slices. So I'm going to cook 4 slices of tomatoes, and I'm going to cut the sandwich in half. Sometimes, most of the time, I usually cut them in triangles, but with tomato sandwiches, it's easier this way. And it's ready to serve. And now for the taste test. taste test. We got a lovely tomato sandwich with mayonnaise on wheat bread. It's a good 5 out of 5. It's an easy sandwich to make. And if you want something light and you're in a hurry, it's just quick and easy. There you go, tomato sandwich on 100% wheat bread. But you can use any type of sandwich bread you want. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.